All right, today we're talking about reflection. Okay, last time we talked about translation. That is where we moved an object. Okay, either up or down or to the right or left. Okay, every point moved the same direction. This is reflection. Okay, it's like looking in a mirror. It's the reverse image of it. Okay, it's being flipped over a line. We call that line the line of symmetry because everything is equal on both sides. It's like the circle it's like a line that splits a circle in half. Okay, everything should be equal on both sides. Right? The line of symmetry here is the y-axis. I have a B on this side, and I have a B on this side. What we've done is we've taken this B and we moved every point the same distance from the line. So if you look, let's look at this point right here. Okay, it has been moved the exact distance. It is 6 away from the line on this side, so it needs to be right about here. It needs to be 6 on the other side. All right, that's reflection. You need to write this down. It's just like if you had a circle. Let's see if I can draw one. Okay, if we split it in half, so that's our line of symmetry. Okay, each point should be the same distance. So here is the same distance from the line as here. Here is the same distance from here. Everybody understand? Okay, they are exactly the same distance. Alright, write this down. To reflect over the y-axis, we multiply the x-coordinate by -1. Our y-coordinates do not change. By multiplying our x-coordinate by -1, we flip our y-axis. So let's look at A. Okay, what is the x-coordinate of A? It is at 3. Okay, remember our y-coordinate doesn't change, so it's going to stay at 2. Okay, it's going to stay at 2 on the y. If I'm flipping it over the y-axis, what is the x-coordinate of A going to be then? If we multiply it by -1. -3. Is it at -3 right here? Yeah. Yes. Okay, point B, what is the x-coordinate of point B? 2. So what's going to be the x-coordinate of B on the other side? -2. The y-coordinate does not change. Now let's say the original is on the left. What's the x-coordinate of C there? So what's going to be the x-coordinate of C on the other side? +4. Can I still multiply it by -1? Yes, -1 times -4 is +4. Okay, and again, my y-coordinate does not change. We don't care about the y. It doesn't change. It stays straight across. Okay? So we reflect over the y by multiplying x by -1. Our y-coordinate does not change. Okay? Easiest thing they'll do is look. How far is B from the y-axis? 2 spaces. So how far has it got to be on the other side? 2. How far is A? 3. So how far has it got to be on the other side? 3. Alright, write this down and draw it on the graph. Alright, so if we're reflecting over the x-axis, what coordinate do we change? The x or the y? The y. Our x-coordinate does not change. Okay? All we do to change our y is we multiply it by -1. Okay, so what's the y-coordinate of this point right there? 5, right? Okay, I don't need to know my x because it doesn't change. What is it going to be if you flip it over the x-axis? -5. The x-coordinate does not change. Let's do this one. Okay, what is the y-coordinate there? 2. What's the y-coordinate need to be down here? -2. We just multiply by -1. Okay, we just count. It's 2 spaces away, so this needs to be 2 spaces away. This is 2 spaces away, so this needs to be 2 spaces away. 5 and 5. Okay, any questions on how to do that? Is that very hard? No. Just take your time, okay, and make sure that you're flipping it over the axis it says, okay? Just change, if it says over the X, we change our Y. If it says over the Y, we change our X. Any other questions?